Google transformed 2023 with groundbreaking gadgets like the Bard and Pixel 8 Pro. Beyond hardware, they enchanted Search, Maps, and Gmail, offering top tips for an organized, stress-free life. Get ready for an even more epic 2024 with Google's game-changing innovations. Got too many tabs open and feeling overwhelmed? No worries, Google Chrome's got your back with a nifty feature, tab groups. Let's break it down into super simple steps. Let's start with the tab that needs a cozy home. Right-click on it, you'll see a bunch of options. Now, hit Add Tab to Group. Exciting, right? Next up, name your group. Let's keep it snappy and relevant, something like work or fun stuff. Then, the fun part. Choose a color for your group, like giving your tabs a little wardrobe upgrade. Your tab is now part of an exclusive group, neatly nestled under its group name. When you're ready to conquer your tabs, you can easily expand or collapse the group. Now, go forth and declutter your Chrome like a pro. It's time to take our habit tracking to the next level with the incredible Google Sheets and its secret weapon, Smart Chips. Ready? Now, open up Google Sheets, create a fresh sheet, and let the magic begin. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Smart Chips are your new secret weapon. Type Add Date to add interactive dates, embed files seamlessly, and create drop-down menus with a simple mention. Want to add some flair on your Google document? Emoji react to your progress. It's like adding a personal touch to your tracker. So, get creative with emoji reactions, express yourself, and turn your habit tracker into a cool, functional masterpiece. With Smart Chips and a dash of Duet AI magic, you'll be conquering those goals and staying on track like a pro. Well, Search Generative Experience SGE is here to rescue you, making finding what you need a breeze. Think like you're on the hunt for a new bike. Something perfect for a 5-mile commute with a few hills. Or maybe you've got a stubborn stain on your favorite shirt, and you need it gone, like yesterday. Here's where the magic of generative AI in search kicks in. So, instead of playing detective through endless search results, SGE does the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a super smart assistant that understands your needs. When you search, you'll get this AI-powered overview that sums up the key info you need. It's not just a search result, it's your personal guide, highlighting the most important details. But it gets even better. SGE doesn't just stop there. It gives you links to dive deeper into the topic. It's like having a whole library at your fingertips. So, if you're in a rush or just want the essentials, SGE's got your back. It's like the shortcut to becoming an instant expert on whatever you're searching for. Enter ComposeAI, your secret weapon. This nifty Chrome extension is like having a personal lifesaver by your side. It can magically cut down your writing time by more than 40%. Just type / and then ComposeAI will ask for your commands. Well, you can simply type something like, write an email to offer the new best shampoos of our company. And that's all you got the whole mail to write for you. Also, you can change the tone of your writing such as friendly tone or formal tone, and you will also get some samples, whichever you would like to have. Amazing, right? There's more. It can act like your personal editor. Again, go to the Google Docs and simply type / and command something like, write me a broad report about global warming, and there you have it, simple and easy. Imagine smoother and faster paper editing, giving you more time to focus on what matters. In everyday life, we are stuck with so much work like assignments and tons of deadlines. It is overwhelming, right? Fear not. ToDoist is here to rescue you. This Chrome extension is your trusty sidekick in tracking assignments. It helps you stay on top of your tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Simple, efficient, and a game changer for staying organized in the chaos of student life. Simply add tasks priority-wise, then add in which group you want to add the task, like home or inspiration. Simply add a date for the task so that you can get a reminder. After finishing all the tasks, it will inspire you to be ready for the next day. Say goodbye to information overload with SwiftRead. This Chrome extension transforms lengthy web pages into bite-sized, easily digestible snippets. It helps people learn how to speed read and assists students to learn how to read and focus on particular parts of any given passage. There is a document all ready to go, so fashion designing the then and now. If you want to read through the process, it will be tough because within the web browser there's a lot of clickable content along the top and along the sides that distract from the original document. So let's go ahead and click on SwiftRead. As we are using this tool on this page, click on Current Page, and notice it kind of gets rid of all that clickable content. On the top left-hand kind of corner, you can see that 6 minutes means that if you're reading at 125 words per minute, you can get through this document in 6 minutes. You can allow it to show more than one word at a time. You can change the per minute words so the timing will change also. No more endless scrolling or drowning in information. SwiftRead condenses content, giving you the essence without the overwhelm. Feeling a bit shaky with your math? No worries. Google Search is your friendly math tutor right in your browser. Here's a simple guide to get you started. In your Google search bar, type Math Solver and hit enter. You've just unleashed a special calculator designed to make math a breeze. Imagine you have a linear equation like this: 2x plus 5 equals 11. Simply type it into the search bar. For example, you'd type 2x plus 5 equals 11 and hit enter. Google Search pulls up a step-by-step solution to your equation. It's like having a patient math teacher guiding you through each step. You'll see how x is calculated, making the process crystal clear. But wait, there's more. If you have a complex math problem or integral, don't break a sweat. Take a picture of it with Lens on your phone, and Google Search will provide a detailed, step-by-step explanation and solution. It's like having a math genie at your service, ready to unravel the mysteries of equations. So, whether you're dealing with linear equations, polynomials, or intricate integrals, Google Search is here to make math less of a puzzle and more of a pleasant journey. From organizational wonders like Chrome tab groups to AI-powered learning experiences and the ingenious "Help Me Write" feature in Gmail, Google continues to elevate our digital journeys. Let's ride the wave of these incredible tools, embracing the organized, inspired, and stress-free version of ourselves as we step into an even more epic year ahead.